at the bird store called Wild Birds Unlimited. Woo! Look at the pelican. It's like a garden pelican. Flamingos. No, it stays there. It's so cool. They have a blue one. Look at these beautiful bird houses. That one has a bird on the side of it. Do you like them? Ooh. These are pretty. Wild bird feed. This stops squirrels from coming in apparently. Ooh, it's so pretty. You can put these on your window clings. Birdie puzzles. Look at all the bird puzzles. That doesn't look like a toy. It looks like a cool Halloween decoration.
I like it.
It's a crow.
I like
Those are crows.
Crows out of your yard.
Ooh, mealworms. Yummy.
My dad said they're still moving.
The best food to attract insect-eating birds. Lorikeets eat mealworms. Nesting boxes. Safe for birds, easy to clean, and fun to watch. Ooh. Our finch food. Goldfinch's favorite foods. This has bug protectors on it. Cool fox.
Oh, yeah.
You like the fox, Lily? He's cool. These beautiful bird baths. It's a bird bath. Birds take baths in this. Look at the little birdie. Bird bark butter. Like the water fountain. A live cam from New York. This is so cool. They have flags. Oh, bird earrings.
This gets me out of the house. Anyway.
So pretty.
Okay.
I love the live cam. That's coming from New York right now.
Call our daily.
All right. Here's a view of the store. They have a giant bird ball. Girls, did you like the Birds Unlimited